Let's make authentic Hawaiian Dole Whip. I love this Dole Whip. It tastes exactly like the kind you get straight from the islands. You know, of course, we're gonna have to use a Hawaiian pineapple. First, we're gonna trim off all the sides using a sharp knife. Be careful of your fingers. I like to cut the top and the bottom of the pineapple off first so that it lays flat when you're cutting off the sides. Then I'm gonna use a potato peeler to cut out all the eyes. Make sure that your pineapple is really ripe so that it's gonna be really sweet. A little tip, if you put your pineapple on the countertop on its side to ripen, it will distribute all the juices evenly. I got that tip from my mom and dad who went to college in Hawaii. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut our pineapple into chunks. Then we're gonna cut out the core, careful. And then we're gonna divide all of these into chunks and then we're gonna put them in the freezer. You can see how juicy this pineapple is. It's gonna be so good. You can make this ahead of time and just put it in the freezer overnight, or at least a couple hours. And now we're going to chop up a banana, Dole of course, and then we're gonna place these into the freezer. The banana gives the Dole Whip that creamy texture. Now we're gonna place our frozen banana and our frozen pineapple and a little bit of coconut milk into a blender with a squeeze of lime juice, and then we're gonna blend it up until it's nice and smooth. So this is basically the base of the Dole Whip, and if you get it from the islands, they'll put it into an ice cream machine so it's nice and creamy. Most people don't have an ice cream machine, so yours might be a little bit looser, but if you have a Bosch mixer, they make an ice cream attachment and you can add your base into the ice cream machine and mix it until it's super creamy and then it's actually pipeable. Or you could just drink it like a smoothie, that would be delicious too. Look at that, it's so creamy and smooth, it looks perfect. Another trick is that you can pour the base into a sheet pan and stick it into the freezer, and then every about 30 minutes, just kind of mix it with a whisk until you get that creamy texture. All that's left to do is enjoy your delicious Dole Whip. This is so good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.